Hi guys, in this video we will see how to change automatic maintenance settings in Windows 11, a stop background task and boost performance. In this video we will see how to change or disable automatic maintenance in Windows 11 to stop unwanted background tasks and improve your PC's performance. In this step-by-step tutorial I will show you how to adjust the maintenance schedule. Go to Windows search and type automatic maintenance and open change automatic maintenance settings. Click on open. This will open in control panel. You can see automatic maintenance in control panel will now open. Windows automatically runs scheduled maintenance on a daily schedule when you are not using your computer. This includes tasks such as software updates, security scanning and system diagnostics. This maintenance will run daily if you are not using your computer at the time you are chosen. If your computer is in use at the scheduled time or maintenance, automatic maintenance will run the next time the computer is not being used. So you can easily change your automatic maintenance time. Run maintenance tasks only at click on a small arrow and choose a time when your computer not in use. So preferably choose a time as per your choice. We will choose 5 o'clock and also make the check against option allow scheduled maintenance to pick up my computer at the scheduled time. You can also check or uncheck here and finally click on OK to save the changes. That's all.